random variables. So first, we have random experiment. So when you say random experiment class, it is an experiment that can be repeated numerous times under the same conditions. Its result must be independent of one another. So random gani, so random ra. For example, ano yun? Tossing a coin is a random experiment. Random ra. Pwede mo ta magbalik-balik. O, pila ka mo tos sa duha, tulo nya. Laylay ang result. Kanya, ang result, tossing a coin is a random experiment. Next, we have outcome. Ang outcome class mo ni siyang result sa random experiment. Di ba ganiha, ang atong random experiment kay nag-toss tag coin. Ang iyang result mo na siya ang gitawag og outcome. So kung mag-toss tag coin, ang iyang result kay maybe head or tail. Okay? Mo na siya ay outcome. Next, we also have sample space. So when you say sample space, it is the set of possible outcomes of random experiment denoted by a capital letter, usually S. So gisulod ni siya og sample space. So the sample space of tossing coin is symbol for sample spaces is S equals. Ang katong outcome ganiya class, head og tail. So imo na to siya og in symbol. So head, open and close parenthesis, head, H, tail, T. So ang atong sample space is H and T. Muna sample space. Next, random variable. So when you say random variable, it is a function that associates a numerical value to every outcome of random experiment, denoted by a capital letter, usually X. The domain is the sample space. Domain class or the X mo ng sample space. So, and the range is the sum set of real numbers. Okay, example. Say that X represents the number of heads. So si X daw muna ni-represent ni heads that appear in tossing a coin. And then the possible values of random variable X. So ang possible values sa X kay 0 and 1. Kay kung dili mo gawas ang head, 0. Kung mo gawas ang head, 1. Mana siya. So example. Let X be a random variable that denotes the result of rolling a die. What are the possible values of X? Diba? Kung mag-roll tayo, kailan mag-die. Kung ang katong die class is mura na siya, kanang bitang nasa kanang mahjong, murag mahjong ba? Na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kanang tuyok kanang i-ana ba? I-move. Mura siya form kay square, yan ay number, nagtuyok ang number 1 to 6. What are the possible values of X? So the sample space class, so symbol is S equals, so ang result, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore class, the possible values of X are, kung sample space gani, butang dyan nagparentheses. Pero kung possible values na, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Another example. A coin is flipped 3 times. Katulo, kuan ang coin, gi-flip. If X represent the number of tails of the outcome, kung tail daw, what are the possible values of X? Diba, mag-toss tag coin, katulo daw. Katulo man, so meaning, tulo ka coin. So first, list the possible outcomes of the experiment. Then, this can be done using table or tree diagram. Let H represent the heads and T represent the tail. So, muna is siya. Head o tail. So first head, ikaduha tail, di ba? Ang possible nga magawas, head o tail raman jud sa magkwantag coin. Okay. If ang head, so pwede siya mahimong head tail. Head and tail. Ang head, pwede siya head tail. Ang tail, pwede siya head tail. First, sa ikaduha, ang tail, pwede siya head tail. Ang head, pwede siya head tail. Ang T, pwede siya head tail. And then, since flip 3 times man, so meaning, since katulo man siya gi-flip, so meaning, ang possible outcomes, so pwede siya, kagikan sa ibabaw, H, 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 din ikaduha, pwede siya H, H, T, katulo, pwede siya H, T, H, kaupat, pwede siya H, T, T, pwede siya THH, ari sa kaduha nga diagram, or THT, or TTH, or TTT. So mo na siya. From the given table, the possible outcomes are mani mga sample space class HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, TTT. Using the diagram. Kani nga diagram mo. Kani ha. HT din. Ang head pwede head tail din. Pwede ba dyan. Nganong nagbungkag-bungkag man di ba? Ang pangutana kay flip 3 times man. So head tail, head. Katulo sad siya gibungkag. Gikan sa head tail. Ang head gibungkag po dyan head tail. So katulo na siya gibungkag. And then since 3 times man, so i-partner nito katulo, headed head, headed tail, head tail head, head tail tail, tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head, tail 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 tail. So mo na siya. Sample space. Then ang pangutana diingon diri kung si X daw represent the number of tail of the outcome. So ang ask diri is ang number sa tail sa outcome. What are the passive values of X? So kay tail man ang ipangita diri, possible sa katong first nga given HHH, so ang tail niya walay tail, so 0. So HHT pila ka bug tail? That's why 1. So HTH pila iyang tail? 1. HTT pila iyang tail? 2. Sunod, THH pila iyang tail? Usa, 1. THT pila iyang tail? 2. TTH pila iyang tail? 2. TTT pila iyang tail? 3. So meaning to say, the possible values of X are 0, 1, 2, 3. So based on the table, the number of tails can be 0, 1, 2, 3. Thus, the possible values of X are 0, 1, 2, 3. Kausara siya na ba? Di ba? Dagan man siya 1, 1, 1, nasa 2, 2, 2. Kausara siya is what? Possible values of X. So meaning, ang mga possible values of X, since ang pangutan na kay number of tail man, X represent number of tail, so ang answer kay 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Next, let us continue discrete and continuous random variables. So when you see discrete class, it is a random variable with a finite number of possible values, or pwede siya finite, pwede po siya infinite number of values that can be counted. So when you see discrete class, these are countable. Maiyap ra nato, pwede na to i-count. Example, the number of phone produced by a company is a discrete random since it can be counted as 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. It has infinite number of values that can be counted. So, maiyap ra nato. For example, books in the library. Pwede na ito iapon. Cellphones nga baligya. Pwede na ito maiyap. Mga notebook. Pwede na ito maiyap. Ball pens. Pwede na ito maiyap. Mga discrete random variable na sila. Kanang countable. When you say continuous random variable, mo siya random variable that can assume an infinite number of values that can take decimal or fractional values. So meaning to say class, ang continuous random variable, mo niya ang variable that can be measured. I-solve jud siya. Mag-involve siya og decimal or fraction. For example, height nimo. So nag-involve siya og decimal. Numbering. Imong kwan, BMI, body mass index. So kinahanglan pa man na i-solve, i-divide. So that is continuous random variable. Example, ang pila ka kilometer gikan sa Pervent padung sa iyong balay. Continuous random variables, it involved measurement. Pila imong kilo. It involved measurement. So it is continuous random variable. Yung kalayan, when you say discrete, countable, maiyap. Continuous meaning to say, continuous meaning measurable. It should be measured. Maka imong i-measure. Okay? So example, a random variable has the following value: 7, 8, 10, 13, or 21. Is the random variable discrete or continuous? So of course, it is discrete class because pwede ato ra mga iap 7, 8, 10, 13, 21. Maiap ra man nato 7, 8, 10, 13, 21. Pila ka box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ka box sila. Finite. Random, discrete siya. How about this one? Determine the recorded body temperature of a patient in a hospital is a discrete or continuous. So body temperature man, so meaning to say, it is continuous because pwede man siya na decimal, 37.8 degrees Celsius, 41.1 degrees Celsius, 34.1, and so on and so on. So those the body temperature of patient is continuous random variable. So when you see probability distribution, next. So when you see probability distribution of discrete random variables, it is a list, a table, a graph, or a formula of probabilities associated with each of its possible values. For example, in tossing two coins, kung mag-toss tag duha ka coin, the possible outcomes are, kung mag-toss tag coin, duha ka coin, dungano na to, pwede siya, possible outcome, pasabot ana is kanang posible nga magawas. Kung i-toss na to, pwede siya head-head, pwede sa head-tail, pwede sa tail-head, pwede sa tail-tail. So if the random variable x denotes the number of heads, ang heads ang ipangutana, the number of heads in the outcomes, then the table shows the probability distribution. The number of heads ang ipangutana, heads. So kaning first, so anatay x nga 0, 1, 2. So sa 0, 1/4, usa ka head. So upat man ni sila kabok, diba? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sila ka sample space. 4 sila kabok tanan. Mao nang ang iyang over kay 4. Ya sa first, sa 0, since ang gi-ask diri kay x head man, si head man ang pangutana, so first head. So sa 0, 1 head. Kaning naguna 1 head. Dili bot pasabot nagkuyog ning h og h ha, kay 2 ni sila as 1 ang iyap na, so 1/4. Sunod sa 1 sa head tail og tail head, so 2/4, duha ka buok. So first h, second h. Unya 1/4 sa number 2, 1/4 lang gyapon. As kay wala man siya kuan. Tail as 1, 1/4. Atong may bawaan basta nakuha na siya sa property of probability, basta tunga siya sa 0 and 1, between, natunga siya. So that is 0 is less than or greater than or equal to p of x is equals to x interval, then x less than 2 or equal to 1. Then another property is the sum of all probabilities of random is equal to 1. Kung imong i-add tanan, equal to 1 or 100%. That is summation of p, quantity of x equals x, interval equals 1. Example, determine whether a distribution is a valid probability distribution for a discrete random variable x. So, atong i-check kung valid ba siya nga discrete random variable, di ba? Kung probability distribution siya, class, dapat kung atong i-add tanang number, 100% siya or 1. So, ato lang i-add. So, to determine if the distribution is a valid, we must satisfy the two properties for the distribution. So, dapat ang mga number tunga siya sa 0 o 1. So, 0.32 tunga siya sa 0 o 1. 0.28 tunga asad. 0.34 tunga asad. 0.06 tunga asad. So, mean to say, check na siya sa first property. How about the second property? I-add na doon ito tanan, ma-answer siya 1 or 100%. So, 0.32 plus 0.28, pila? Pila man?
60.
0.60 plus 0.34, 0.34, 94 plus 0.06, so 100. So therefore, I mean 100, 1.00. So the probabilities are all between 0 and 1, and then the sum is 1. Thus, The above distribution is a valid probability distribution for discrete random variable X because ni-satisfy siya sa duha ka properties. Okay? So about this one. Construct the probability distribution for the random variable X which pertains to the number of tails in each outcome when tossing two coins. Okay. To construct the probability distribution for a discrete random variable X, we need to determine the possible outcome of random variable. So, di ba, mag-toss tag coin na possible outcomes are sample space S equals HH, TT, HT, TH, where H represent the head and T represent the tail. Okay, kung mingon ang pangutana number of tails sa 0, we can have the following. Sa 0, HH, sa HH, wala man say tail. So 0. Sa HT o TH, pila ka tail. Oh. Nasa usa ka tail, so na sila nabilong diha. Sa number 2, pila ka tail? Duha. So that's why TT. Based on the table above, the random variables can take the values of 0, 1, 2. So, ano siya? 0, 1, 2. So, 1/4. O, di ba? So, sa 0, so nasa 0, na ay outcome nga usa ka buok, HH. So, di ba 4 makabuok? So, that's why 1/4. Sa ikaduha, sa number 1, ang na-outcome kay na 1 ka buok, HT o TH 2 ka buok. That is why 2 then over 4. Ang also remember ang kanang probability mo is E over S, outcome over total number of event over total number of outcomes. So kung pila ang pangutana sa numerator, ang denominator is always pila ang tanang outcome. So 4 man sila tanan, 2, 4, then reduce 1/2. Then ang ikaduha, number 2, tail. Pila ka buok, ang pila ka given, pila rang nada, 1. So that is why 1/4. 1/4 ang yan. So mo na siya ang answer. Solving random variables. So as you all know, discrete random variable, mo na sila ang random variable with a finite that can be counted. Maiyap. Mo na siya, and so on and so on. So given the probability distribution of a discrete random variable X, find the probability of X equals 3. Pangitawon na ito ning nadiri sa ikatulo. Diba, as we all know, dapat ang iyahang mga numbers kay tunga siya sa 0 and 1. So 0.10, 0.21, 0.5. But kuwangan, gipangita diri number 3. So anyong buhaton, diba mo equal man to into 1. So since kuwangan man siya, so atong i-add ning tulo, then atong i-minus sa 1 aron makita na to unsay sulod sa number 3. So, okay? So, i-add na to ang 1, 2, ug 4. Then, i-minus na to sa 3. Atong i-add 0.10 plus 0.21 plus 0.5 kay 0.81. Unya, 1 minus 0.81. So, the answer is 0.19. So, therefore, probability of the variable X equals 3 equals 0.19. Next. So, given the probability distribution of discrete random variable X below, find probability of X where X is less than 3. So, less than 3. So, meaning to say, dili na to i-appeal si 3 og si 4. So, meaning to say, atong i-add si kaning na ni 1 og 2. Diba? Less than 3 kay 1 og 2 man. So, meaning to say, atong i-add si 110 plus 310 is equals to 410. So, meaning to say, less than 3 man daw. Nawa, makita man niyo sa inyong sa symbol niya. So, atong i-add ang na ni 1 og ni 2. So, ang na ni 1 og ni 2 kay 110 og 310. So, 110 plus 310 is equals to 410. So, i-reduce na itong 410 divided by 2 both sides. So, therefore, 410 or 2/5. So, the answer is the probability that the random variable x is less than 3 for 10 is equals to 410 or 2/5.